Okay, everybody. Going back into our document here, it's our final and last page. This is page 462. If you have not downloaded it to Notability yet, please do that. And it's continuing on the top part here of 3 more shapes where you have to write the number of sides and vertices and then the name of each figure. So just count them carefully. Now this one right here, well, that's a lot. If it was me, I definitely would count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just keep going just to make sure. In this one, it is a concave shape. Make sure you count all of those sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure you count them all. So you can pause there and you can do that part. Just make sure you write the number of sides, vertices, and then the actual name. Now, I actually, at the beginning part of this lesson, kind of gave something away on this one. But I'm going to read this to you. You can you can read along with you if you want to. Franz drew 2 different polygons in art class that will be displayed during his school's art show. Use the clues below to identify the polygons he drew. The polygons have fewer sides than a decagon. Now remember, a decagon, and I go back to my past page, has 10 sides. So I need to remember that. Remember, with our ancient civilizations, we know that a decade equals 10 years, and a decagon has 10 sides. So just kind of something fun to, remember, because that dec means 10. So a decagon has 10 sides. Each polygon has an odd number of sides. Ooh. Now remember, odd are the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and it kind of keeps following that same pattern. So, okay, well, I know that, quadrilateral can't because that's an even number. Hexagon can't, that's an even number. So when I'm doing that, I have to think, okay. So odd, again, is like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and so on. But it has to be less than 10. It has to be less than a decagon. So I can already actually take any shapes that have 11 or more. Okay. And also, a shape has to have more than 2. So a triangle is the fewest shape. So I can take away that 1. So really, it has to be 3, 5, 7, or 9. Okay? Neither polygon can be classified as one of the figures listed on page 461. Now remember, classified, that's part of our goal for the math lesson today. Classified means group. So that means it cannot be part of the same group as any of the ones on that page. Meaning, it cannot be a triangle. So that means it can't have 3 sides. And it can't be a pentagon. It can't have 5 sides. So you are going to have to draw a shape. Hopefully from those clues can help you. You're going to draw the 2 different shapes. So for example, if I thought, oh, okay, I'm going to do this one. It has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Because it has 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait a minute. It can't be classified as one of the figures listed on page 461. This is a triangle. I can't do that one. Ooh, I know what I could do. I could do, look at that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, 4 vertices. Let me just double check it. Yep. Awesome. Oh, wait a minute. Each polygon has an odd number. 4 is not odd, that's even. I could try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. No, that's right. Never mind. It can't be one of the shapes on the last page. So it can't be a pentagon. So there are only 2 left that I could do then. So I just have to think about what shapes could work, and it can't be a pentagon, can't be a triangle. You can pause there and think about those 2 shapes. For your last one, though, for your check understanding, you need to draw and describe 3 different triangles. So if you remember back to the first part of this lesson, which is a great review for this lesson, we had really 3 different kinds of triangles. We had one triangle that is a right triangle. And what you're going to say is, so you're going to draw it, and then you're going to describe it. This triangle has one right angle. Okay? That's one. I need to draw 3 of them. And I'm going to use this to kind of help. This triangle has 2 equal sides. And then I'm not going to write the description for this one, but I want you just to kind of think about it. I'm going to try that again. What could you say about that triangle? So that's your check for understanding. Just you can kind of do it on the bottom of your notability page, just kind of wherever you can fit it into. But just draw and describe those 3 different triangles. When you're done, submit this to Schoology again. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have fun, everybody, and I'll talk to you again soon.